Good morning, everyone. So today I will teach you on how to make a paper boat that floats. Some paper creations make your day better while some others help to lift your broken mood. Here is one that does both. Just give it a try. The rainy seasons without an umbrella and a paper boat can be unbearably dreary for kids. However, making a paper boat can add a little joy to their day. Every now and then, you can find kids folding boats out of paper and sailing them on puddles. Learn how to put one together yourself and have fun trying them on the water. So by the way, I am Noralia M. Limbuna and we are assigned to make a demonstrative speech, and I decided to make a paper boat step by step. We only need a paper or white paper, so let's start. Here's how to put a paper boat together. First, take a paper sheet and fold it in the middle. Second, make folds from each of the corners so they meet in the middle. Like this. Create a fold in the open lip. Repeat the same fold on the other side. Next, fold the corners of the lip inwards. Repeat to the other lip. You should have this triangular form. Gently separate the lower part of the triangle. Separation of the part automatically brings the other corner of the triangle closer. This results in the formation of the square-shaped paper structure with two lower corners. Hold the lowest corner to the horizontal midline. This is done on both the sides. Separate the lower lips gently and bring the corners to the middle. Open the upper part of the corners to make the boat. Gently expand the both sides to make it stand upright. So finally, the paper boat making is done. Your paper boat can be customized just by switching the colored paper you use. You can also decorate the paper with crayons or sketch pens before making the craft. So that's all. Thank you for listening.